In today's competitive business environment, effective customer relationship management is essential for growth and sustainability. SharpSpring CRM has emerged as one of the most versatile tools for small to medium sized businesses looking to streamline their sales and marketing operations. Unlike traditional CRMs that focus solely on data organization, SharpSpring offers a comprehensive suite of features integrating marketing automation, lead generation, sales pipeline management, and analytics into a single user friendly platform. One of the standout qualities of SharpSpring is its flexibility. Whether you're an entrepreneur launching your first marketing campaign or a seasoned professional managing a complex sales funnel, SharpSpring is designed to adapt to your unique needs. Its robust automation capabilities save time by eliminating repetitive tasks, while its dynamic tools empower teams to make data driven decisions that drive growth. SharpSpring commitment to affordability without sacrificing functionality makes it an excellent option for growing businesses. With unlimited users included in its pricing model, it stands out as a cost effective solution for organizations of all sizes. This tutorial will guide you through the key features of SharpSpring CRM, showcasing how it can revolutionize your sales and marketing strategies. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the lead scoring and tracking. SharpSpring employs sophisticated lead scoring techniques, ranking prospects based on their interactions with your content, emails, and website. This helps sales teams focus their efforts on the most promising leads, improving conversion rates and reducing wasted resources. Another key feature is the dynamic email campaigns. With SharpSpring, you can create tailored email campaigns that adjust based on user behavior, ensuring maximum relevance and engagement. This boosts customer retention and enhances brand loyalty by delivering personalized experiences. Another key feature is the visual sales pipeline. SharpSpring's visual pipeline tool provides a clear and customizable view of your sales processes, helping you track progress at every stage. This streamlines deal tracking, reduces bottlenecks, and ensures no opportunity is missed. Another key feature is its CRM and marketing automation integration. The seamless integration of CRM and marketing tools within SharpSpring allows for a holistic view of customer journeys, unifying data across departments. This enhances collaboration between sales and marketing teams, driving cohesive strategies and better results. Another key feature is its social media management. The platform includes tools to schedule, post, and analyze social media performance directly from the dashboard. This simplifies social media management, saving time while maintaining a consistent online presence. Another key feature is the advanced analytics and reporting. SharpSpring's reporting tools provide deep insights into marketing performance, including ROI tracking, campaign effectiveness, and conversion metrics. This enables data driven decisions that optimize campaigns and improve overall business performance. So, why is SharpSpring a great choice? SharpSpring is an all in one solution that effectively bridges the gap between sales and marketing. Its ability to integrate diverse tools into one platform ensures that businesses have everything they need at their fingertips. Unlike many competitors, SharpSpring is designed with affordability in mind, offering unlimited users at no extra cost. This makes it particularly appealing to small and medium sized businesses aiming to scale their operations. The platform's emphasis on automation ensures that teams spend less time on manual tasks and more time developing creative strategies. With tools that adapt to your workflows and needs, SharpSpring is perfect for businesses looking to grow while maintaining a strong focus on efficiency and customer engagement. So basically, SharpSpring CRM is more than just a customer relationship management tool. It's a comprehensive platform for driving sales, improving marketing efficiency, and fostering collaboration. Its user friendly design, paired with powerful features like lead scoring, email automation, and advanced analytics, ensures that businesses can achieve their goals faster and more effectively. By choosing SharpSpring, businesses invest in a solution that grows with them. Its robust tools help teams stay organized, informed, and proactive, making it an indispensable part of any sales and marketing strategy. Whether you're new to CRM or looking to upgrade your existing system, SharpSpring is a reliable choice for improving your bottom line and enhancing customer experience. Start exploring SharpSpring today and unlock your business's full potential. So, if you need more information about SharpSpring, you can always visit their website, which is sharpspring.com. And from here, you'll see a bunch of different information, such as a bunch of different features that I haven't mentioned. And you can always see the pricing in their website. So just feel free to get a demo and ask for the pricing. So you can schedule a demo with their certified partners today. And from there, just check it out if you think SharpSpring is good or great for your business. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.